So Professor Liu is going to show you how you submit your two files. You always need to submit a something called exe file, that's executable file as a programmer you do, and one is zip file. Okay, then let me show you how do you get that. Okay, in order to get that, I need Steven to share screen one more time. Is that okay, Steven? First, share your Visual Studio. All right. So, Steven, at your Visual Studio here, you must say File Exit. File, then yeah, save it. Yeah, and okay, you need to exit. Then, can you do Window Explorer? Yeah, yeah. This is your Window Explorer. Good job. Okay, you need to do this. C drive. Okay, let me do it slow for you. C drive. And let me do it right here. You need to do user. Okay, let me clear. Once user, then Steven, that's your hard drive. Click on Steven. Okay. All right. Once you click on that, there's a call source. Click on source. Is that okay? Source. And click on repo. Yeah. All right. So that's your Steven's first solution. Okay. Now right click. Hold on. Right. Let me write it down and you do it. Okay. Don't open it. Don't open it. Okay. Add this one and you right click on the solution folder. Yeah. Right click. Right click. Oh, okay. And let me write down here. So you right click on solution folder. All right. Then you got very good. Then you continue, okay? Then you continue here. You say send to, send to. Click send to. Yeah, and you want to do compressed folder. Click it. Good. All right. So you got Steven.zip, but you don't see your extension. Is that right? So Steven, I need you to help you to see your extension. So wait for me, Steven. Okay, please. Let me clear this. So Steven, you have your extension. I want you to click view, 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 view here, view, view here. Now view, yes. All right. Then once you here, you want to say file name extension. Check here. Check here. File name extension. The second one, son. Yeah, check it. Check. Check. All right. Now you got file name extension right now. Okay. So now you got that. All right. So this is the first one you need to submit. Now click on the open this folder right now. Open the the first folder. The first folder. Open. Open the project. Open the project folder. Double click it. Double click. All right. Then open the bin folder. Bin folder. All right. Open the debug folder. Open that. Double click that. Okay, yours is not there, so we all different. Go back. Go back. Go back to your Steven project. Steven project. All right. Go to your my project. I didn't see your exe folder. I need to find out where's your exe folder. Probably it's different right now.
Professor, the EX folder was in there the first time. It was at the bottom.
Okay, let me see. Bottom first time. Let's go back to your Steven first solution. Go back. Go back. Go back to here.
The middle with the
Right,
EXE.
right. Yeah. Okay. So Steven, right click on that. Right click. Right click. Copy, copy. Okay, and go back to your repo. Go back to repo. Go back to your repo. Paste, paste, paste right here. No, right here, right now. Okay, now that's go. Go back to your repo folder. Go back to and paste right here. Paste, paste. All right. So now let me see here. So Steven got the two file he needs to submit. That will be the exe and the zip. The exe and the zip. So what Steven need to submit is the exe and the zip.